Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Mic Up. No people here with me today. I do have a collab coming up. I won't say with who yet, but I will be having a collab soon. So hope you guys are excited for that. I don't have a script. But Roblox, please. Please? I said the F word like 3 times already. How is it not? What? Let's get into the video.
A little bit laggy.
What are you?
A Brad!
Are you
Hey, I think you're really pretty.
Me?
Yeah, you're really pretty.
Who said that?
Oh, that's my best friend right
No,
here.
you again. No, please. Please. Please, I need this. Mom's gonna hold it. Dad, I want to help her out. Ow. Cheeseburger time. Oh.
Bread.
Oh, bread is amazing. Bread. Can I eat you? Bread. Can you listen to me?
Yeah, they want me to eat him.
No.
Get older.
No, please. No, please. Go after her, not me. My mom's kind of homeless. I live my. They'll never find out. That's the best part. They don't know where I'm going either. I gotta get away. Oh, please. Wait, they can't go in here. Wait, no, please. There we go. What the? Oh, yay. Oh, ciao. Hi, ciao. Where the hell was that? It was, chat, I have no script at all. Never know what hit him. Hey, what? Please. They don't know where I am. I could probably get a break. Bread. Shit. Half right. Wait, actually, I can sit down too.
I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry.
What the hell?
Guys, should I sing a song? If another ad.
Eating
Oh,
Wendy's
another.
hamburger right now.
There's another ad. I'm gay.
Okay. Mom, this one, you can't sing 6-7.
Guys, I'm gonna sing a song. I'm singing a song. I hope it goes well. I'm singing a song.
All I'm gonna say to that is that
Was afraid I
she's in a better place in my stomach right now. Okay,
that I would
she's in a
say
better place.
that I would never.
She's in a
I
better
was
place. Okay,
hiding in the
that's all I
dark.
got you.
I didn't want to go home, but my can't
She's in a better place. I promise.
pretend to see
In my
I'm
stomach.
broken down. I was
I
just
got you.
dirty and
All right.
but I continue. I vow. Now I'm all alone. Hiding in the dark. Daddy told me no, we cannot go so far. All stay strong, we live eternally. All is well in the African family. Life they fell, so pure eternity. All is hell in the African family. I have something way more better than that. I have
Me
something way
too,
more
man.
better. I have something way more better. You guys want to hear
Do
it?
you have something better? Do you have something better?
Yes. You goddamn make fun of me. I swear to God. I know that's what I saw. I swear to God, you goddamn make fun of me. I swear to God.
My life
I
and
swear to
it's
God.
just
I'll kill myself.
I'm all
You like make
alone.
me
I'm
myself.
fighting
I'll
monsters
actually
in
kill
the
myself.
I
It'll make me
could
kill
live,
myself
but
because
here I
goddamn. Dude.
Dude, I can't even, man. My ears. They have a what the fuck?
Right now, bro. Okay, I'm about to.
Yes, bro, I have the physical container in the world test. No, you don't.
Playing this anyways. Is this what I get?
Like, yo,
That was not tough. I do not like Gojo. I hate him actually. Go ahead, hate me all you want for me hating him. I don't care.
Yo, Shorty, I got a question for you, right?
Um,
Sorry for calling you that, but can you follow me on Roblox,
why?
please? Because I already reached my goal of 3.1K followers, and I was wondering if you can help me reach my other goal, 4K followers. My mom is my mom is kind of homeless. Are you laughing?
No, no.
Yes, you are. What are you laughing about?
You're not laughing. You are.
Yes, you are. I know you're laughing. I can tell.
671.
What is so funny?
Nothing.
Yeah, right. So, can you follow me? I really need 4,000 followers by the end of the month, and I can't pay speed because I'm kind of homeless. So I really need you to follow me because I really need it.
I can't stop laughing. I'm
Oh my
sorry.
God. Why you laughing, huh? What's so funny? Well, I don't know
Sorry,
what's
I
so
can't
funny
stop
about it.
laughing.
All right. You done? You done now?
Yeah.
So can you follow me on Roblox?
Um, yo, wait, is that your dad over there?
Who? No, no, no. Where you think you're going?
Oh no. Wait, wait.
Excuse me, ma'am. Why are you running? Where
Okay,
your mother
fine,
going?
fine, fine, fine.
Ah, yeah, can you follow me? Mysteries.
Wait a second,
Yes, I'm
is that a
wondering.
femboy over there?
I'm not dumb, okay?
There really,
I'm
really
not
is.
falling for
Look,
that again.
look.
No, no, I'm not looking.
I'm not joking. Look.
Oh, I am literally turning my screen and I don't see nothing.
Oh, hey, Deadbolt.
Are you talking to your boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Mr. Beast. Get
Oh. I'm sorry. Oh. What the?
Roses are red, vines are blue. I'm
Yo, what the
Holy big bag over there. Oh my big back. Not you. Not you. Not you. This guy. The suit. The guy in the suit. Holy big back. Oh wait, wait. Sure. 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 Why was that guy asking me to follow him though?
I eat pickles.
Pickles!
Artful.
Pickles! Do you know Chad? I gone to him.
Double jump. Woohoo!
I can double jump too.
What the heck?
Haha, I love Parker. Okay, I'm good. My gosh, why was that so loud? Your face looks kind of weird. I'm sorry!
There he goes.
I really believe you did that. I wanna run away.
Your toes when you're sleeping.
I wanna run away. I wanna run away. I really boy. I really boy. I wanna run away.
I'm gonna eat your
I wanna
toes when
run
you're
away.
sleeping.
Come here, come here. I wanna run away. I wanna run away.
Daisy, Daisy.
I wanna run
I
away.
wanna run
Mr.
away!
Lily Boy.
I wanna run away!
Mr. Lily Boy.
And my other friends! I wanna run away! Oh,
But you're the sweet about my please, My mom is kind of
Wow. Wow, there must be something in my throat today. Oh, hell no. You stay Oh! I made the reflux. The big is a Monday! Yay!
No, you're the size of an ant. I'm the giant.
Bro, I'm coming for you.
Motherfucker.
I'm coming for you, Artful.
Shut the hell up.
Anyways, that is all for today's video. Don't got much to say at the ending. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Saying a lot. Anyways, like, maybe subscribe. Like, subscribe if you love your mom. And comment what you want to see next. I don't know.